Ciao, this is Chef Giuseppe. I'm gonna give you a very quick tour of the kitchen. That is my kitchen lab. A lot of people are asking me, they're curious. So I just wanted to show you what I do for about 40, 50 hours a week. I test the recipes for the Meals for Longevity, and I have a team of people that at night they come and test the food for me. So every recipe goes through development and then about 2-3 times testing it and adjusting it. Sometimes it might take even 5-6 times to cook a particular recipe in order to be approved. And then after that goes to the editing. So we actually type it on a template and then we load it on our website, mealsforlongevity.com. I just wanted to show you very quick where I am. So this is just a kitchen that is like a home kitchen. I have an island in the middle. I keep my book of recipe over there. I write down my notes and then I share them with other cooks. I have a computer over here, an office where I work and make my notes. Let's see, I have a refrigerator, a sink, a big island where I work. Right now I am portioning the meat for the week, pork chops and chicken. A refrigerator, a stove with 5 burners. I use gas. I always have water boiling. You never know, I need to cook something very quick. I get an idea and I have to get it done. Then I have 2 ovens, a microwave. That's a little bit where I work. And then outside, this is part of my operation. Let's see, I have the herbs. We just planted this about 2 weeks ago. Basil, parsley, chives, rosemary. I have some sage. I use this for my cooking. And sorry, they're cutting some grass. I hope you can hear me well. I have a grill. This is where I serve lunch when we test the recipe for lunch. It's a beautiful place. We have a lot of action today. We're very lucky. We are in Florida, Sarasota. Guess that they relax over here. And we see the water today. It's very calm. We are on the Mexican Gulf. Beautiful place, nice garden. So I just wanted to share a little bit where I am, what I do. This is a perfect place for me to develop the Meals for Longevity recipes for the Mediterranean diet, and also a place for people to come and test. It's been about 2 years. We're starting to publishing the recipes. It's very good. I feel very proud of all the work we have done, and I'll go back to the kitchen and test a little bit more. Remember to visit mealsforlongevity.com. You're gonna find all the job that we have done published over there. You have to be patient, but you can help us buying the recipes. We list them at $1 each, the single recipes, and then soon in the next 2-3 months we're going to release the DIY meal planner for the Mediterranean diet, where you can get all these recipes listed with pictures, and you can put them together day by day in order to create a weekly menu for you and for your family. Ciao from Chef Giuseppe. Bye bye.